Which of the following diseases is caused by a virus? A. Tuberculosis. B. Influenza. C. Malaria. D. Cholera. The correct answer is B. Influenza is a viral infection caused by the influenza virus. What is the purpose of vaccination? A. To cure existing diseases. B. To prevent future infections. C. To boost immune memory. D. To increase antibiotic resistance. The correct answer is B. Vaccination aims to prevent future infections by priming the immune system to recognize and combat specific pathogens. Which type of immunity is acquired through vaccination? A. Innate immunity. B. Passive immunity. C. Active immunity. D. Autoimmune immunity. The correct answer is C. Vaccination leads to the development of active immunity, where the body produces its own immune response to a specific pathogen. What is the primary function of antibodies in the immune system? A. Kill infected cells. B. Regulate body temperature. C. Recognize and neutralize pathogens. D. Control blood sugar levels. The correct answer is C. Antibodies recognize and neutralize pathogens by binding to them and marking them for destruction by other immune cells. Which of the following is a symptom of the common cold? A. High fever. B. Muscle weakness. C. Coughing and sneezing. D. Joint pain. The correct answer is C. Coughing and sneezing are common symptoms of the common cold, usually caused by rhinoviruses. How do vaccines work to protect against diseases? A. By directly killing the pathogens. B. By boosting the body's natural immunity. C. By inducing autoimmune responses. D. By causing antibiotic resistance. The correct answer is B. Vaccines work by boosting the body's natural immunity, priming the immune system to recognize and fight specific pathogens. Which of the following diseases is caused by bacteria? A. HIV, AIDS. B. Mumps. C. Tuberculosis. D. Measles. The correct answer is C. Tuberculosis is caused by the bacteria Mycobacterium tuberculosis. What is the purpose of herd immunity? A. To isolate infected individuals. B. To protect unvaccinated individuals. C. To eliminate all pathogens. D. To reduce the cost of vaccinations. The correct answer is B. Herd immunity helps protect unvaccinated individuals by reducing the overall spread of pathogens within a population. Which cells are responsible for producing antibodies in the immune system? A. T cells. B. Macrophages. C. B cells. D. Natural killer cells. The correct answer is C. B cells are responsible for producing antibodies in the immune system in response to specific pathogens. What is the primary goal of immunization programs? A. To promote alternative medicine. B. To eradicate all infectious diseases. C. To reduce the incidence of preventable diseases. D. To enhance the performance of professional athletes. The correct answer is C. Immunization programs aim to reduce the incidence of preventable diseases by vaccinating individuals against specific pathogens. Which disease is characterized by uncontrolled cell growth and can spread to other parts of the body? A. Diabetes. B. Influenza. C. Cancer. D. Asthma. The correct answer is C. Cancer is a disease characterized by uncontrolled cell growth that can spread to other tissues and organs in the body. Which of the following diseases is caused by a parasitic infection transmitted through the bite of infected mosquitoes? A. Malaria. B. Tuberculosis. C. Hepatitis. D. Measles. The correct answer is A. Malaria is caused by a parasite transmitted through the bite of infected Anopheles mosquitoes. Which type of immunity provides immediate protection against an antigen upon first exposure, due to preformed antibodies? A. Passive immunity. B. Innate immunity. C. Acquired immunity. D. Active immunity. The correct answer is A. Passive immunity provides immediate protection against an antigen through the transfer of preformed antibodies, as seen in maternal antibodies passed to infants. Which of the following diseases is characterized by the immune system attacking its own tissues and organs? A. Rheumatoid arthritis. B. Influenza. C. Tuberculosis. D. Chickenpox. The correct answer is A. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder where the immune system attacks the body's own tissues, particularly the joints. What is the name of the process where vaccinated people indirectly protect those who aren't vaccinated, by reducing the spread of disease? A. Herd immunity. B. Active immunity. C. Passive immunity. D. Innate immunity. The correct answer is A. Herd immunity occurs when a high percentage of the population is immune to a disease, reducing the spread of the pathogen and protecting those who are susceptible. Which of the following diseases is caused by a fungal infection, often found in the lungs, and can spread to other parts of the body in severe cases? A. Influenza. B. Hepatitis. C. Tuberculosis. D. Pneumocystis pneumonia. The correct answer is D. Pneumocystis pneumonia is caused by a fungal infection. It typically affects the lungs and can spread to other organs, especially in immunocompromised individuals. What is the primary cell type responsible for initiating the adaptive immune response and coordinating the immune system's response to pathogens? A. T cells. B. Natural killer cells. C. B cells. D. Dendritic cells. The correct answer is D. Dendritic cells are antigen-presenting cells that initiate the adaptive immune response by capturing and presenting antigens to T cells and B cells. Which of the following vaccines uses a weakened version of the pathogen to build immunity without causing illness? A. Inactivated vaccine. B. Subunit vaccine. C. Live attenuated vaccine. D. Toxoid vaccine. The correct answer is C. Live attenuated vaccines use a weakened version of the pathogen to stimulate an immune response without causing the disease, providing long-lasting immunity. Which of the following diseases is caused by a protozoan parasite transmitted through contaminated water sources and can lead to severe gastrointestinal symptoms? A. Cholera. B. Typhoid fever. C. Giardiasis. D. Meningitis. The correct answer is C. Giardiasis is caused by the protozoan parasite Giardia lamblia. It's commonly transmitted through contaminated water sources and can cause severe gastrointestinal symptoms. Which of the following diseases is caused by a genetic mutation leading to uncontrolled cell growth and tumor formation? A. Diabetes. B. Multiple sclerosis. C. Lupus. D. Cancer. The correct answer is D. Cancer is characterized by uncontrolled cell growth due to genetic mutations. Which type of cells are responsible for engulfing and digesting pathogens in the immune system? A. T lymphocytes. B. B lymphocytes. C. Macrophages. D. Natural killer cells. The correct answer is C. Macrophages are a type of immune cell that phagocytizes pathogens and debris in the body. Which of the following diseases is caused by a deficiency in insulin production or insulin resistance? A. HIV/AIDS. B. Tuberculosis. C. Type 2 diabetes. D. Malaria. The correct answer is C. Type 2 diabetes is a metabolic disorder characterized by insulin resistance or insufficient insulin production. Which type of immunity is transferred from mother to infant through breast milk? A. Innate immunity. B. Passive immunity. C. Active immunity. D. Adaptive immunity. The correct answer is B. Passive immunity is the transfer of preformed antibodies from one individual to another, providing immediate protection. Which of the following diseases is caused by a deficiency in red blood cell production or function? A. Sickle cell anemia. B. Influenza. C. Chickenpox. D. Pneumonia. The correct answer is A. Sickle cell anemia is a genetic disorder affecting red blood cells' shape and function. Which type of vaccine uses only a part of the pathogen, not the whole thing? A. Inactivated vaccine. B. Live attenuated vaccine. C. Subunit vaccine. D. Toxoid vaccine. The correct answer is C. Subunit vaccines contain specific antigens, or protein fragments from the pathogen, to stimulate an immune response. Which of the following diseases is caused by a virus that attacks the immune system's CD4 T cells? A. Hepatitis B. B. Tuberculosis. C. Human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. D. Malaria. The correct answer is C. HIV targets CD4 T cells, compromising the immune system's ability to fight infections. Which type of immunity is the body's first line of defense against pathogens, and isn't specific to a particular pathogen? A. Innate immunity. B. Passive immunity. C. Active immunity. D. Adaptive immunity. The correct answer is A. Innate immunity provides immediate, non-specific protection against a broad range of pathogens. Which of the following diseases is characterized by chronic inflammation and damage to the joints, leading to pain and stiffness? A. Asthma. B. Arthritis. C. Measles. D. Chickenpox. The correct answer is B. Arthritis is a condition involving inflammation and deterioration of the joints, causing pain and restricted movement. Which disease is caused by the varicella-zoster virus and is characterized by a painful, blistering rash? A. Influenza. B. Chickenpox. C. Measles. D. Tuberculosis. The correct answer is B. Chickenpox is caused by the varicella-zoster virus, commonly affecting children and causing an itchy, blistering rash. Which type of vaccine uses a dead or inactivated germ to trigger an immune response? A. Live attenuated vaccine. B. mRNA vaccine. C. Inactivated vaccine. D. Toxoid vaccine. The correct answer is C. Inactivated vaccines use dead or inactivated pathogens to trigger an immune response without causing the disease. Which autoimmune disease affects the thyroid gland, leading to symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, and sensitivity to cold? A. Lupus. B. Rheumatoid arthritis. C. Type 1 diabetes. D. Hashimoto's thyroiditis. The correct answer is D. Hashimoto's thyroiditis is an autoimmune condition where the immune system attacks the thyroid gland, causing hypothyroidism. Which disease is caused by the Epstein-Barr virus and is commonly known as the kissing disease, due to its transmission through saliva? A. Mononucleosis. B. Mumps. C. Rubella. D. Diphtheria. The correct answer is A. Mononucleosis, caused by the Epstein-Barr virus, is known as the kissing disease because it's spread through saliva. Which type of immunity involves transferring antibodies from one person to another, giving quick but temporary protection? A. Artificial active immunity. B. Passive immunity. C. Innate immunity. D. Cell-mediated immunity. The correct answer is B. Passive immunity involves the transfer of antibodies from a vaccinated or immune individual to another, providing immediate, but short-lived protection. Which chronic inflammatory disease affects the gastrointestinal tract, leading to symptoms like abdominal pain, diarrhea, and weight loss? A. Crohn's disease. B. Asthma. C. Hepatitis B. D. Malaria. The correct answer is A. Crohn's disease is a chronic inflammatory condition affecting the gastrointestinal tract. It causes symptoms like abdominal pain, diarrhea, and weight loss. Which viral infection causes liver inflammation, leading to jaundice, fatigue, and abdominal pain? A. Tuberculosis. B. Hepatitis C. C. Pneumonia. D. Yellow fever. The correct answer is B. Hepatitis C is a viral infection that causes inflammation of the liver, leading to symptoms like jaundice, fatigue, and abdominal pain. Which autoimmune disease mainly affects the central nervous system, causing vision problems, fatigue, and trouble with coordination? A. Multiple sclerosis. B. Celiac disease. C. Psoriasis. D. Pancreatitis. The correct answer is A. Multiple sclerosis is an autoimmune disease that primarily affects the central nervous system, leading to symptoms like vision problems, fatigue, and impaired coordination. Which type of vaccine uses a genetically engineered virus or bacterium to deliver antigens and trigger an immune response? A. Inactivated vaccine. B. mRNA vaccine. C. Recombinant vector vaccine. D. Toxoid vaccine. The correct answer is C. Recombinant vector vaccines use genetically engineered viruses or bacteria to deliver specific antigens and trigger an immune response. Which disease is characterized by the immune system attacking its own tissues and organs? A. Lupus. B. Influenza. C. Malaria. D. Tuberculosis. The correct answer is A. Lupus is an autoimmune disease where the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy tissues in the body, leading to inflammation and organ damage. Which viral infection causes liver inflammation, leading to jaundice, fatigue, and abdominal pain? A. Hepatitis. B. Measles. C. Tetanus. D. Pertussis. The correct answer is A. Hepatitis is a viral infection that causes inflammation of the liver, leading to symptoms like jaundice, fatigue, and abdominal pain. Which autoimmune disease affects the thyroid gland, leading to symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, and sensitivity to cold? A. Rheumatoid arthritis. B. Diabetes. C. Multiple sclerosis. D. Hashimoto's thyroiditis. The correct answer is D. Hashimoto's thyroiditis is an autoimmune disease that affects the thyroid gland, leading to symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, and sensitivity to cold. Which chronic inflammatory disease affects the gastrointestinal tract, leading to symptoms like abdominal pain, diarrhea, and weight loss? A. Asthma. B. Ulcerative colitis. C. Chickenpox. D. Rubella. The correct answer is B. Ulcerative colitis is a chronic inflammatory disease that affects the gastrointestinal tract, leading to symptoms like abdominal pain, diarrhea, and weight loss. Which disease is caused by a genetic mutation leading to uncontrolled cell growth and tumor formation? A. Influenza. B. Diabetes. C. Cancer. D. HIV, AIDS. The correct answer is C. Cancer is a disease characterized by uncontrolled cell growth resulting from genetic mutations that lead to tumor formation. Which type of vaccine uses only a piece of the germ, not the whole thing? A. Live attenuated vaccine. B. Inactivated vaccine. C. Subunit vaccine. D. Vector vaccine. The correct answer is C. Subunit vaccines use only a fragment of the pathogen, such as a protein or sugar, to induce an immune response without using the entire organism. Which autoimmune disease mainly affects the central nervous system, causing vision problems, fatigue, and trouble with coordination? A. Lupus. B. Myasthenia gravis. C. Multiple sclerosis. D. Tuberculosis. The correct answer is C. Multiple sclerosis is an autoimmune disease that primarily affects the central nervous system, leading to symptoms like vision problems, fatigue, and impaired coordination. Which type of vaccine uses a genetically engineered virus or bacterium to deliver antigens and trigger an immune response? A. Live attenuated vaccine. B. Inactivated vaccine. C. Subunit vaccine. D. Vector vaccine. The correct answer is D. Vector vaccines use a genetically engineered virus or bacterium to deliver specific antigens and stimulate an immune response. What is the leading cause of cervical cancer in women worldwide? A. Hepatitis B virus. B. Human papillomavirus, HPV. C. Epstein-Barr virus. D. Varicella-Zoster virus. The correct answer is B. Human papillomavirus, or HPV, is the leading cause of cervical cancer, with certain strains being more carcinogenic. Which disease is characterized by the immune system attacking the myelin sheath of nerve fibers, leading to disrupted nerve signals? A. Lupus. B. Multiple sclerosis. C. Celiac disease. D. Rheumatoid arthritis. The correct answer is B. Multiple sclerosis is an autoimmune disease where the immune system attacks the protective myelin sheath around nerve fibers. Which vaccine type is genetically engineered to mimic the outer protein coat of the hepatitis B virus to stimulate an immune response without using the whole virus? A. Live attenuated vaccine. B. Inactivated vaccine. C. Subunit vaccine. D. Conjugate vaccine. The correct answer is C. Subunit vaccines use only specific antigens of the pathogen, like the hepatitis B surface protein, to induce an immune response. Which chronic respiratory disease is characterized by inflamed airways, leading to symptoms like coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath? A. Asthma. B. Emphysema. C. Bronchitis. D. Pneumonia. The correct answer is A. Asthma is a chronic respiratory disease. It's characterized by inflammation and narrowing of the airways, causing breathing difficulties. Which disease is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, and weakens the immune system, making people vulnerable to infections and cancers? A. Hepatitis C. B. Influenza. C. Tuberculosis. D. AIDS. The correct answer is D. AIDS is caused by HIV and results in a weakened immune system, leaving individuals vulnerable to various infections and malignancies. Which type of immunity is present at birth and provides a general defense mechanism against pathogens? A. Acquired immunity. B. Adaptive immunity. C. Innate immunity. D. Passive immunity. The correct answer is C. Innate immunity is the body's first line of defense against pathogens, providing a general, non-specific response. Which vaccine type uses a harmless form of a toxin produced by the bacterium Clostridium tetani to induce immunity against tetanus? A. Live attenuated vaccine. B. Inactivated vaccine. C. Toxoid vaccine. D. mRNA vaccine. The correct answer is C. Toxoid vaccines use inactivated toxins to stimulate an immune response, like the tetanus toxoid vaccine. Which disease is caused by the parasitic protozoan Plasmodium, transmitted through the bite of infected Anopheles mosquitoes? A. Malaria. B. Dengue fever. C. Chikungunya. D. Yellow fever. The correct answer is A. Malaria is caused by the Plasmodium parasite, transmitted through the bite of infected mosquitoes, leading to cyclical fevers. Which autoimmune disease mainly affects the joints, causing inflammation, pain, and stiffness? A. Psoriasis. B. Crohn's disease. C. Rheumatoid arthritis. D. Graves' disease. The correct answer is C. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease that primarily affects the joints, causing inflammation and damage. Which type of vaccine stimulates both the innate and adaptive immune systems using mRNA technology to tell the body to make a viral protein and trigger an immune response? A. Live attenuated vaccine. B. Subunit vaccine. C. mRNA vaccine. D. Toxoid vaccine. The correct answer is C. mRNA vaccines work by introducing a small piece of viral genetic material to instruct cells in the body to produce a viral protein. This protein triggers an immune response and stimulates the production of antibodies to protect against future infections with the actual virus. Which type of immunity is transferred from mother to infant through the placenta, providing the newborn with temporary protection against certain diseases? A. Innate immunity. B. Acquired immunity. C. Active immunity. D. Passive immunity. The correct answer is D. Passive immunity is the temporary immunity acquired by getting antibodies from someone else. For example, maternal antibodies passing to a fetus through the placenta protect the newborn until its own immune system develops. Which disease is caused by the herpes zoster virus, remains dormant in nerve cells after an initial infection, and reactivates later to cause a painful rash known as shingles? A. Influenza. B. Measles. C. Shingles. D. Pneumonia. The correct answer is C. Shingles, caused by the reactivation of the herpes zoster virus, typically presents as a painful rash in a limited area of the body. The virus remains dormant in nerve cells after an initial chickenpox infection and can reactivate later in life, often due to factors like stress or weakened immunity. Which immune cell type mainly engulfs and presents antigens, starting the adaptive immune response? A. T cells. B. B cells. C. Macrophages. D. Natural killer cells. The correct answer is C. Macrophages are phagocytic cells that engulf and digest pathogens, presenting their antigens to T cells and B cells to initiate an adaptive immune response. They play a crucial role in recognizing and responding to foreign invaders in the body.